Okay, so this is a demonstration of breaking in a new blade on an Amada HA400W bandsaw.
We're just going to set it to do a trim cut on the break-in, so it's a brand new blade. It's very, very sharp. So what we're going to do is we're just going to run it a little bit slower on our feed rate. Typically when I do this, I'm going to set the feed force for the hardness of the material that we're cutting, which is about a 3.5 inch round of 4340. I'm going to set the blade speed for the normal blade speed that we would be running on that material as well. The only thing that we would change is the feed rate. So typically on this we were up around 3. Again, this is just a reference point. In the end, you look at how long is your typical cut time. But I would cut that in about half for doing my break-in. I've got my trim piece set up, and then after I do this, I'm going to do the rest of my break-in in auto. And so we're ready to go.
So we're cutting the part basically at about half the normal speed.
Half the normal speed, so we're going to be producing a much smaller chip. We're going to be going through a lot slower, get the chance to balance out all the cutting shapes, balance out all of our, any little minor burrs or imbalances are all going to get balanced out at this point. Only then the other thing is just to pull a slightly smaller chip. Although we do have to pull chips, that's the most important thing during break-in. So it's always got a chip coming on.
And what's the consequence of not breaking in the blade?
If we don't break in the blade, what we can do is we can actually, one side may be a little sharper than the other, or there might be a small but it's set harder to one side. Even though it's a very small amount, that tooth tip will now catch and we can break it. And now the other side's sharper and it'll consequently cut crooked or cut to the other side. If we don't balance out, we don't get a smoother cut. So by balancing out all of our cutting shapes, it's going to allow us to cut straighter, cut longer, and vice versa. If we don't do those things, then it's a limiting factor. The blade's more forgiving as well when we do the break-in. So it allows us to typically run a little higher feed rate, or it just gives us better blade life overall.
And how many cuts should we make breaking in a typical blade?
So typically I do mine in what I do is 4 parts or 4 increases. If you look, we have recommendation charts for at a certain speed, this many square inches, but I keep it really simple and I generally do it off of 4 parts, 4 increases. If it's something like this solid round, there's about 10 square inches per cut. This material is not overly hard, but we're going to do a full entire cut at that slower rate. As it goes into the next cut, then we'll make a small increase, small increase, small increase. We'll do that over 4 parts.
So by the time we get to the 4th cut, we're cutting at the maximum normal recommended feed rate.
Yep.
Okay. Great. All right. Thank you very much, Wade. Appreciate it.
Thank you.